Hi everybody, welcome to another review from your review channel. Just wanted to let you know about something that I got in the mail today. It was awesome. It's from Modelone and it was gifted to me. It is a gel nail polish starter kit. This is going to be a lot of fun because this is a game changer. Now you can do your nails at home without going to the salon. Pick the color you like and use this awesome kit to get you going and to teach you how to do it yourself so you don't have to pay those high prices at the salon. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. So first inside is the UV light, which is really key to a great gel manicure. You want it to dry properly, and this is going to do it for you. It's a 48-watt light, so it's very powerful. I want to show you. You can see. And also pink. What's better than pink? We girls love our pink. So here's the plug. It comes with the UV light, as you can see inside. Okay? So all you have to do is plug that in. We'll decide if we want to do it for 30 seconds, 90, or 60. Okay? Inside also the nail files, special files that you want to use when you're doing gel nails to get that proper shape. Look inside. Is this not awesome? A great little kit. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. So I just opened the packet that comes inside. So far we've talked about the awesome light that'll dry it. So this is an awesome little kit of all little doodads that you're just going to put on your nails to finish the gel manicure, just like they do at the salon. There's all kinds of different shapes. I can see hearts in here and circles, and it's really cool. And also some stickers that you can put on your nails. These actually look like flames. Comes with a nail clipper, a cuticle trimmer, and also a cuticle brush that you can, actually not a brush, but a trimmer. So this will push, this is to push back your cuticles. This is the nail brush, so you can get all that dust off after you use this awesome nail file to file your nails in the shape you like. It's really, there's an art tool in here. I mean, there's so many fun things in here. Of course, this is to separate your nails when you're doing it yourself. This kit makes it so easy because everything is given to you. You don't have to think about what you need to do your nails. This is an awesome little tweezer, and what this is great for the stickers, if you want to put those on your nails. If you're new to our channel and enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe. Hit that, smash that button, and send us a like. Love to see your engagement and comments. So these are for the rivets. So you can use the tweezers to put the rivets on your nails or the stickers. Inside the box also is another nail file and all of these awesome nail shades. They're calling this a nude kit. As you can see, it comes in a gray, a really dark purple that's almost like a black, a pink, a peach, like a maroon color, and a light brown color. So it's really got everything you want for a starter kit, and these colors are really great going into the new season. Also included is your base coat, your top coat, and a nail primer. All these are really going to be very important when you're doing gel nails at home. But just think of the possibilities. You can be very creative and use the rivets, or you can use the flames, or you can use none of them and do different colors. You can do 3 nails one color, the 4th and 5th a different color. It's really an all-inclusive great kit, and I want to thank Modelone for sending this to me. Hopefully you pick up this kit, give it a try, and have the cutest gel nails going forward to the next season. Thanks for watching your review channel. See you at the next one.